I was in partial sun, but now I'm in full sun. So, here we go. Pick up some of these empties just as soon as I know where they lay. Tied off and jolly and leaving lines on a long high summer day. For every day I'm working on the Illinois River, get a half a day off with pay. Towboat hooking up barges on a long high summer day. I got a gal in Bloomington, she's a mighty fine gal, okay. I bet she's sitting with the window fan on a long high summer day. Every day I'm working on the Illinois River, get a half a day off with pay. And towboat hooking up barges on a long high summer day. Dropped a man off in Bardstown, just about round the way. Next week I'll be on the Havana Bridge on a long high summer day. For every day I'm working on the Illinois River, get a half a day off with pay. And towboat picking up barges on a long high summer day. Hey! Last night I had beans for supper, tonight festival all the way. Maybe a little bit of bourbon and picking on a long hot summer day. Every day we're working on the Illinois River, get a half a day off with pay. And towboat picking up barges on a long hot summer day. All the kids say every day I'm working on the Illinois River, a half a day off with pay. And towboats are picking up in barges on a long hot summer day. Yes, every day I'm working on the Illinois River, get a half a day off with pay. And towboats picking up barges on a long hot summer day. Every day I'm working on the Illinois River, get a half a day off with pay. And towboats picking up barges on a long hot summer day. Hey! Cicada solo.